I may have been suspended for 24 hours and not let in the gates to the debating chambers. But the next day I showed up outside the steps with 100,000 of my people, marching with our heads held high and our flags waving with pride. And we will never ever have to decide who can mess with our rights and our sovereignty as an Indigenous people here in Aotearoa. We are the kingmakers, we are the sovereign people of this land, and the world is watching us here. Not because of the system, not because of the rules, but because we haka. Whatever we do next, all Indigenous people are relying on us. It's not just about us being Maori, it's about us as Indigenous people liberating ourselves to Hawaii and Maori. So who's coming with us?